I have been loving Medicube's Booster Pro for over 3 months now, and in this video I want to go over the 4 modes plus some secrets like how to get to the purple color and what that means. So let's get into it. Now to start off, it comes with an app, and you don't have to use the app, but I would say that the app gives you a lot more control and it gets you to some of those special tricks that I talked about. But it really is a standalone device with 4 spa level treatments. When you turn it on, the first mode you'll get to is booster mode. Booster mode uses electroporation, which basically will send small electrical currents into your skin, just temporarily opening up the cells, letting everything get fully absorbed. This is not only great for getting in the absorption for your serums and your moisturizers, but it also can help with blackheads and whiteheads as well. Now the second mode is microcurrent mode, and microcurrent mode really is just a low grade electrical current that volumizes your skin, which will temporarily hide all of your fine lines. It does a really good job on your smile lines, your crow's feet, your 11s, whatever you want to work on. I really love this mode, especially in the morning. It's a great pick-me-up for the day. And then the next mode is DermaShot mode, and this is definitely a step up. It's a deeper current that will actually make your muscles twitch as it goes around your face, and that twitching is almost like a facial workout that helps your muscles create more collagen and elastin. It's meant to reduce sagging, and with this one I definitely focus more on my lower jowl area and my cheeks, but you can definitely use it everywhere as well. And then finally you have AirShot mode, which is basically electric microneedling, and what this one will do is make very fine holes in your skin, which will help with skincare absorption and a lot more too. And unlike the rest of the modes, this is the only mode you cannot do every day. You really want to do this at a minimum of every 3 days. I prefer to do this once a week. And each mode has 5 levels that you can just switch through by hitting the power button. And I definitely recommend starting at level 1 and slowly working your way up to level 5, not only to help your skin adapt, but you're going to be adapting as well, as these do feel a little different. You'll know what I'm talking about when you use them. And then when it comes to around your eye area, you definitely want to go back down to level 1 no matter what. This is just much more sensitive skin, so you don't want to use one of the higher levels on this area. But this will work wonderful with your eye serums at level 1, working it in. Now, Medicube claims you can use this with your existing skincare, but I would say that you need to make sure that you have some skincare that has a nice glide to it. Probably something with a lot of hyaluronic acid and moisture in it. All of Medicube's products have this. There are a lot of other non-Medicube products that have this to them, but just make sure that you have something that has nice slide, specifically when you get to the microcurrent and DermaShot modes, as all of those you will want that nice slide as you're running this across your face. When it comes to booster mode, I can use my existing skincare with it. It really does just work it in. It might be a little bit stickier at times for me depending on what I'm adding, but it does work. Now those are the 4 main modes, but these LED colors make a difference as well. So let's go through those. To edit those and see what they are, you need to open the app, and then you'll go to your Booster Pro, and then you can go through the colors. Orange is meant to be brightening, red is meant to help with elasticity, green helps with volumizing, a really good color with that microcurrent mode. Purple boosts skincare, so this is definitely a great one to use with your booster mode. Aqua is pore care, so if you're focused on your pores, you might want to use this one in more of the modes. So those are the 5 different LED colors and the differences they make, and you can set this to be all one color. You can set different colors for different modes depending on what you want to get out of those modes. You are in control. And at this point, I never look at the app. But when I was just starting out, I used the app for the first couple weeks pretty religiously because it gave me a daily schedule to follow, and it has a lot of built-in tools to help you form habits to make this a successful tool for you. Like any tool out there, if you don't use it on a regular basis, it's not going to make the difference you're looking for. As for my skin, this has truly leveled up the game for me. I am in my 40s and my skin feels so much younger and happier and more refreshed since I started using Medicube. And I honestly think that the booster mode is my favorite part about it because it's really easy to forget about a tool in your drawer if it's just microcurrent mode, as many of them are. But the fact that it has all of these modes means that I take it out of my drawer more often and start using it on my face, which then prompts me to use the rest of the modes and really go through the whole process, which I really enjoy doing as my face is always glowing after I use it. I cannot recommend Medicube enough. Definitely worth it.